Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on opening a Wise business account in the UK. This is helpful for UK businesses looking for fast and low-cost international payments. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to the official wise.com/business website. And now that you're here, you will just have to click sign up button, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is select business account if you haven't already, and then you will just have to enter your email and the password. And then after that, you will add your business info. So by entering your company name, type, and registration number and address. And then after all that, you will just have to identify your uh, identity verification by uploading your business documents and admin identity documents. And after that, you will link your bank account. So you will basically just have to connect your UK bank account to send and receive funds. And then, of course, you can explore the dashboard by navigating the transfer section, balance, and settings, and all that stuffs. And then, of course, enable notifications and security options. So yeah, if you would want to maximize all of Wise's features, then you should explore the dashboard and everything about it. So yeah, that's how you can open your Wise business account in the UK for secure and smooth international transactions. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.